What's up, Peak Timers? We just unboxed the 2020 Hot Wheels L case, and now it's time to look at the highlight cars from this case. There's lots of really good cars from this case. I also have a huge giveaway going on right now, so make sure you go like my Facebook page and subscribe to me here on YouTube, and you are entered in to win. And we will start it off with the Land Rover Defender 90, a brand new casting to the Hot Wheels lineup. This one very, very nice in that red colored variation with the white wheels, and it was interesting to see that we don't have a white wheel on the back. We have the white wheel as the regular one, so the spare is not a white wheel, but other than that, it is a very, very cool, nicely detailed casting, and this is one that we did get an error to. So if we look at this casting right here, and I put them side by side, and at first you might not notice what the error is, but then if you look closely at this one, you can see there are windows missing on it. No windows, even the sunroof is missing. If we look at that one, you can see there are darkened windows. When we look at the other one, we can see there's no windows whatsoever. So it's an interesting error that we did receive in the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. And that's not the only error car we received in this case. I'll show you another one in a sec, but let's go ahead and see some of the other highlight cars from this case. This was the next one that I really liked, the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and this one is a RTR vehicle. Very, very cool. Just look at the details on this one. It looks like it's lowered. It looks like it's got a wide body on it. Check out the hood as well. Very, very cool detail to it. And I'm not 100% sure if this is a brand new casting. I know they've had the Mustang before, but have they had the Boss 302 lowered with that wide body? Comment down below if you've seen this casting before, but I don't think I have, but very, very cool. Really like that one. Next up, a brand new recolored casting. It is the Alpine A110, and this one in silver. Pretty cool little car. We did see this one in a multi-pack first, but now we do get it in the main lines. But it's a pretty cool casting. I like it. It's a cool looking car, but honestly not the biggest fan of the actual car because I don't have it in North America where I live. Next up, a highlight car for this case. It's definitely the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Absolutely love the new blue color of it with those gray wheels, and check out the tampo work and detail on the front. Very, very good detail on there. And if we go around to the back, got the good detail on the back as well. It says Stinger on the back license plate, but just a really cool car. I mean, I've never been a big Kia fan, but when they came out with the Kia Stinger, I think it looks really cool. So 2019 Kia Stinger GT, another highlight car for this case. Moving on to our next one, we got a new recolor. It is the Corvette C7Z06. We got it in white, now with the blacked out wheels, and I love my white with blacked out wheels cars. They all look really cool. Cool looking tempo work for those front headlights. Good looking on that grille as well, and on the back, great detail for the tempo work on the back for that Corvette C7Z06. And next we did get a 92 BMW M3 Policia Edition, and if you guys know if this is it Italian or French or German police, I'm not 100% sure. If you guys know which police this is supposed to imitate after, let me know in the comment section down below. But 92 BMW M3, not very good detail for the front of this one and the rear of that one, so a little bit disappointing on that part, but other than that, it's a pretty cool casting, and I like police edition vehicles. Next big highlight for this case, it is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC, a brand new, I would call this a recolor, although I think this casting's been beefed up a little bit. It looks a little bit wider. The wheels and tires look a little bit wider on it, so it might be different from the previous ones. Looks even a little bit bigger too, but just great detail all around. Absolutely love the Shelby Cobra, and there it is, black with the red striping, the red interior. Fantastic looking casting. Can't wait to open that one up. Another recolor that we did get, which also looks like a little bit of a beefed up casting. It is the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in yellow. There it is with the gray wheels on there. Nice sporty looking car. Good tempo work on the rear. Good detail all around on the rear end of that one as well. And on the front, it's got the pop-up headlights, but obviously they are closed. And it's even got the little license plate on there. So that's a pretty good detail. I'm not sure if the previous ones had that, but I like it. I think the Miata is a really cool, fun little car. Probably not the most popular all around like enthusiast car, but If you've driven a Miata before, you'll understand. And we got a very cool new fantasy casting, the Alpha Pursuit, also a police variation car. There it is. And it's just a fun little, like, kind of like a futuristic muscle car. That's kind of what it looks like. And it looks really cool. It's got the nice little blue on there as well. Police on their blacked out wheels. I can't wait to open this one up either. It's pretty cool. It's not very many fantasy castings that I really like, but I think this one would be a cool one. It'd be a nice little new casting to see. Next up, we get the TV series Batmobile, and this one did come as a Hot Wheels ID car for this case. This is not really a new casting or a new color or anything. The only unique thing I have to say about this one is we did get another one of it. And if you look really closely, can you see the difference? It is another air car. You can see the wheel on the front of the top one is different from the back. You can see this one's proper. It's all correctly done. You can see the air on that one with the two different wheels. So very interesting that we got two different sets of air cars. You can see the no windows on the Defender, windows on the bottom, different wheel on the front, and proper wheels on the bottom. So two different sets of air cars in this case, which is very unique. You don't really see that too often. And last but not least, I know this is not new to this case, but it's hard not to point out that we did get the 2019 Outtie R8 Spyder. In my opinion, one of the best new castings of 2019. Great detail on the front, great detail on the rear. We did see this one in the previous case, but if you didn't get the previous case, then you can still find it in the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. Let me know in the comment section down below which is your favorite car from the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. I love your guys' comments and feedback, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.